Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this set. It's super cute. I'm going to show you guys how I put the gold foil and how I did the gems and everything like that. So if you would like to see, then let's get into it. So we're starting off, I already have my nail tips nice and prepped, and then I am going to show you guys the collection that I'm going to be using. This is the Beetles, I believe the unicorn collection, and I really love it. So it's my first time using it. I'm going to show you guys the colors and just do a few swatches for you guys. I do end up using one of the colors from this collection that I really fell in love with. This set that I'm doing is a freestyle, so I'm just going to grab my nail tips and show you guys the numbers. And you guys, it's literally insane because this whole collection comes out to only $18. With shipping and everything included on the website. So I do have a code that gives you the money off, and I'll just put it here for you guys. It isn't an affiliate code or anything like that, so I don't get anything from it, but it just helps you guys save a little bit of money if you like the collection. And I'll also link a few of my other favorite Beetles collections down below if you guys were looking to get some new gel polishes. As you guys can see from the video, oh my gosh, you guys, the pigmentation on these is insane. I don't know how they keep their stuff so affordable, but their quality is top notch. Like, look at this. That's one coat, you guys. As you guys know, I never do 2 coats on my swatches because I want to see how the product holds up with 1 coat. Because most of the time when you're doing a set, you don't want to add more than 1 coat if you don't need to, just because it will really bulk up your nails and make them like kind of lumpy or round out your edges and your shape won't be as crisp. So personally, I really love when the color's pigmented enough to just do 1 coat and it looks really nice. So I really love it. This hot pink was one of my faves as well. I was kind of thinking of using this one, but then I was like, no, I always feel like I do pink a lot. So I don't know, but lately I've been feeling like I do a lot of blue. Like, honestly, I'm not sure. But I love this orange. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've been wanting to do some really cute nails with this orange color. So I might end up using it as well soon on another set. But I really love this. Like, imagine this with like some glitter or something. That'd be so freaking cute. Like, this color screams summer vibes. I'm really into peaches right now, so I feel like that's really cute. And yeah, you guys, I love it. And yeah, you guys, so this is the last color that I swatched, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. I really fell in love with it. It's like a periwinkle baby blue, like a sky blue. Like, oh my gosh, if you guys use this color to like do like a little cloud type of vibe with like angels on it, oh my gosh, that's like super cute. I can definitely like do a tutorial like that or something. I don't know, I have so many like stickers, decals and stuff that I always want to try out that I've never even touched, but like I never remember to use them when I'm filming, you guys. I always freaking forget, and then I always end up using gems. But I know everyone loves gems, but then there's people that don't like them. So I kind of want to make tutorials for everyone, and I want to make nails that everyone would probably like, because I do add gems on like every single set. But anyways, you guys, I'm just rambling. This is what all the colors look like next to each other. It's so cute. Definitely summer vibes. Super cute. Kind of giving me like carnival vibes almost. I'm not really sure, but summer for sure. So I really love it. Okay, you guys, and now I'm going in and painting my nails. So I did just want to say I was a little out of frame right here, you guys. I hate when I'm out of frame. I get so mad at myself because it's so hard to stay in frame for some reason. I did actually just film a room tour for you guys, an updated one. And I know I have an old one on my channel, so if you guys wanted to see that one first before I post this one so you guys can see how things have changed, I'll go ahead and link it down below so you guys can check it out if you're new. And I did just want to say that my filming setup is kind of old, and like my phone holder has been like really acting up, you guys. Like, it doesn't work as strong as it used to. Like, it kind of drops my phone down and it's super weird. So I'm thinking of getting a new phone stand for filming. I feel like I really deserve it because I just need a nice setup, a nice filming setup. So I'm thinking of getting a new one. But anyways, you guys, that's why I'm always out of frame. My phone just lays super weird with this phone holder that I have. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing 2 coats of this color, even though it literally didn't need it, but these nails were for a customer, so I just wanted to make sure they were absolutely perfect. But yeah, they definitely didn't need a 2nd coat. It was like so beautiful, just like that. And I really love the pigmentation. You guys can literally see, like, adding the 2nd coat literally did nothing because it looks the same. But I don't know, I just did it in the video. And yeah, you guys, on the other nails, I am going to be adding one of my favorite nudes ever. Oh my gosh, you guys, this nude is so freaking pretty. I've used it only once on my channel before, but it's a really nice nude. So this is the nude from Nail Addict LA. It's my it's a really beautiful nude for sure. It's called Sea Swing and Sun. I always post about it on my Instagram. It's one of my faves. So you guys like always ask me, like people on my Instagram, not really YouTube because I think you guys already know what my favorite nudes are. But if you're new, I always post what my favorite nudes are in the description box. Or not that I always do it. I'm gonna start doing it just so that you guys can have the names of the colors that I use the most. This is definitely one of them, Sea Swing and Sun from Nail Addict LA. And then I'm thinking of like really trying to find the best, most affordable, beautiful nude for you guys. There's like this brand on Amazon. I forgot what it's called, but they have really affordable gel polishes. And it's like not really a brand. It's kind of like an off brand, but they're always really cheap. So I'm going to try to find the best nude that's really affordable. I'm going to go on the hunt, you guys. And I'm going to try to find the best nail bed color for press-ons, because I know that's like the biggest struggle when you're doing press-ons is finding a really beautiful nude, because sometimes they look really unnatural, like too pink or too orange or too brown or something. Okay, you guys, so right here I was kind of looking at my charms and I was like, what should I use? So I was looking at this charm and then I saw this one, and this one's so freaking beautiful. You guys, I'm going to do everything in my power to try to link this charm for you guys, but I have no idea where I freaking got it. I don't remember if it was AliExpress or if it was like somewhere else, like a nail supply store online. I really don't remember, but it is like a little crystal and then it has like pearls all around it and like gold. It looks really elegant and beautiful, and I've never got the chance to use it, so I am going to be using it. But as you can see, I was trying different charms on the ring finger because I was like, what should I use? I kind of liked that one too, like that big pearl. But I was like, okay, I think I'm going to use this one. It's just giving me the vibes. This is what I do, you guys, when I freestyle. I kind of just do whatever, and I'm kind of like, okay, what looks good together? And then I kind of just put it together in my head. So yeah, I really loved those. Those were for sure just speaking to me for some reason with this set. I don't know why. I just felt like it was going to look really cute. And at the end of this video, I actually have a picture, or not a picture, a video of the girl that bought these from me wearing them, and you guys, she looks so beautiful with them. They look so good on her hands, and it just makes me so freaking happy that everything fit her really good and that the press-ons just look so beautiful on her. And yeah, you guys, so I'm just taking out some extra gems, some crystals. I'm taking out SS8, SS4, and those are the ones, the two sizes I use the most for sure. SS8, SS4, and I would say SS10. Those are like my three top sizes. Like if I can only use 3 size crystals for the rest of my life, it would be those. Because the other ones, I do like really small ones, but bigger than that sometimes can be too big. But I love the really huge ones like SS12, SS16 if I'm using them on really long nails, because then it just goes. But if you have those on small short nails, for some reason it just doesn't look right. So I am taking my MAKARTT Rhinestone gel. I've been so into this lately. You guys recommended it to me so much, and I really appreciate you guys for that. And yeah, so I'm using that, and then I'm going in and applying the crystals, kind of just freestyling it. I love doing my charm in the middle and applying crystals around it. That's like, I would say that's like my signature look, is like when you see a charm being used in rhinestone placement, that's how you know it was me doing the set. I feel like a charm can be used in so many different ways, but as you can see here, I'm also adding little pearls, and I really like to just have fun with it and make it really elegant and beautiful and make it look as effortless as possible, or actually make it as effortless as possible, but make it look like I tried so hard on it. So I absolutely love the way this came out. As you can see, I'm adding the SS4 in the tiny corners and kind of just like literally just going at it, you guys. I didn't have any special thing that I was doing. Okay, you guys, and now I'm going to show you how I apply my gold foil. So I literally just get the gold foil with my finger, and once the gel is already cured on top of the sticky layer, I grab it and I put it on there and I rub it in really good with my finger. You guys, this is the best way to apply your gold foil. You don't need to apply like a foil gel or something like that. Unless you're using like that strip type of foil, but this kind of foil sticks really good on a sticky layer, you guys. It is the best way to do it. If you're a beginner and you're not sure how to apply this, you don't need to apply like, you don't need to put it on like a wet base coat or something like that. It's going to make it really messy. And this is the best way for it to lay really, really flat so that you can top coat it and so that the nail will be completely seamless. Like if your gold foil was encapsulated. So I really love doing that method. And then I'm just going ahead and doing the rhinestones in the middle. You guys probably already saw that on the other nail. But yeah, you guys, that's all I'm pretty much doing is just decorating it. And I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Once I'm finished, I'm just going ahead and I'm applying my top coat. This is my Igel Beauty top coat. I get a lot of questions on what top coat I use on my Instagram. So if you're new, this is my favorite top coat. It's the one I use on all my press-ons because it's really affordable. You can buy it in bulk on Igel Beauty's website. It kind of sucks because I really love their products, but their customer service is so bad. I don't like to be negative, but it's true. So yeah, just be aware of that. If something's wrong with your order, they probably won't try to fix it. And I am just going ahead and applying my top coat all around the nails. I did film this before I started doing glue baths on all of my rhinestones, but I usually do a glue bath. And then if you're interested in what that is, I do have a few videos doing that. I think it's like a few videos down. And yeah, you guys, I apply a generous layer of top coat, not too thick, but not too thin. You don't want to be super thin because then you can see the streaks in your top coat and you definitely don't want that. So yeah, you guys, I just go all around making sure to really shrink wrap in those gems, but don't top coat over them because it can alter the shine. And once they're nice and dry, I'm just making sure they're dry. I always go in with my dust collector and I make sure that I file the tops of them to make it really, really are really sharp. I want the shape to be really crisp. So this is what I do. No, it doesn't make your gel polish peel or anything like that, you guys. It's really, really good for your shape and it makes your nails look so freaking beautiful in the end so that you don't have like a bumpy tip at the edge of your nails. I promise it makes the biggest difference. You guys should try it out. And then I just get my dust brush and I dust off everything. So yeah, you guys, I just do it to my other one. And if you guys are interested in where I get these press-on stands, I'll link them down below as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After this, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the box. You guys, in a second, you're going to see the other set that she ordered. It's just a purple plain set of nails and it's really cute, but she actually was one of my raffle winners, and then so she got the raffle set, which is this one, and then she also put in an order for a freestyle set. So she's super sweet. She won the raffle, but then she still placed an order with me, so I was super grateful for that. And right here I was just trying to kind of fit the nails in all together, but I did kind of just want to put them here to show you guys what they look like because they're so cute. And I think I'm just going to be putting the other half of the nails on the lid part of the box. So right here I'm just making sure to clean them off and everything. And then I'm going to show you guys what they look like. This is how they came out. You guys, they're so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. I love this nude. I love this baby blue with it. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty together. And you guys can just see how sparkly the gems are, how beautiful they look. They're so pretty. So like I said, I'll link everything down below for you guys. Everything that I find the link to, I will link down below. And I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here for you all the time. And I always like answering your guys' questions, reading your guys' comments. And just let me know what you would like to see next. I have my nail room tour. I believe that's going to be the next video after this one. So if you're watching this right now, it's currently Saturday, June 26th when I'm editing this. So I'm gonna have my video up probably like literally tomorrow, my other video. So yeah, you guys. And now I'm just showing you the picture again. And then this is the video of her wearing them, which is so cute. And yeah, you guys, I hope you have an amazing day. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.